Hey guys, it's Tech Info and I am back with another video. The iOS 13.5 Unc0ver jailbreak is out and you can jailbreak any iPhone. Let me show you some of the Cydia tweaks I think you will like. I'm planning to make a lot of videos about jailbreak and Cydia tweaks, so don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos like this one. If you haven't jailbroken your iPhone yet, I will drop the link to my jailbreak video in the description. Make sure to follow it and get Cydia working on your iPhone before Apple decides to patch it. All the sources for Cydia tweaks mentioned in this video are given in the description box below. First in the list is a Cydia tweak called Arc. This tweak allows you to lock any app on your iPhone with Touch ID or Face ID. Once you have this tweak installed, all you have to do open its options in the settings and select whichever app you want to lock. For example, you can lock the Photos app and keep everyone from accessing your pictures. Next up is a Cydia tweak called Frame. This tweak allows you to set videos as your iPhone's wallpaper. It gives you a library of video wallpapers you can choose from, and it works extremely well. Keep in mind, this tweak can drain a lot of battery. If you are coming from an Android phone, you might be missing the pattern lock screen on your iPhone. LockDroid lets you change your iPhone's lock screen to a pattern lock. You can choose the size of the grid and other options in the tweak settings. Pokebox is the best tweak for fans of Pokemon. Basically, it changes your iPhone notifications to Pokemon style notifications, and honestly, it looks super cool. I'm not a Pokemon fan, but for those of you who are, you will love this tweak. Quit All lets you clear all your iPhone apps running in the background with one simple click of a button. I don't understand why this simple feature is still missing in iOS. You can change the position of the button, and instead of swiping away one app at a time, you can clear out all the apps in the app switcher by clicking the Clear All button. Vesta adds a nice looking app drawer to your iPhone. It also has a search option. I think it works like Launchpad on the macOS. It has a nice blur to the background and you can search whichever app you wish to open. No need to swipe through the pages and folders, just swipe up and type the name. That's it for this video. If you have any Cydia tweaks that you like, drop them below and I would love to hear from you. Also, if you need a tweak for a specific option, let me know and maybe I will be able to help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.